Hi everybody. Yeah, it's a bit different today just because I'm chitting from home. I'm giving it a go anyway because I went to B&M and I got some tubs. I can get rid of that plastic. Well, no, the reason why I kept it in fact is because it had the price on. So for 8 tubs, hold on, can you see that? From B&M. Oh no, where is it? Sorry, upside down, £2.50. Yeah, 8 kind of that type of takeaway style tub, which hopefully should work for the chitting of seeds. Oh, kitchen towel. I knew I forgot something. Kitchen towel. In fact, Rosie's over there. Hello, Rosie. Oh, she's coming over. Oh, Rosie, come on, go lie down. I woke the beast. So, kitchen towel, I'm going to place in the bottom of the tub. The word escapes me. So what do I have seed wise? So I've got snapdragon flowers. Some of these might be early, but I'm going to keep them in a warm place, either in the shed at the allotment or in my little greenhouse at home. Beetroot, the golden style. Sweet pea. Thought I'd try sweet peas. These are from Penny Kingsley. Do you remember you gave me a whole bunch of seeds? And this is one of them. Chard, because I quite like the idea of chard. All chilies. Again, in fact, it says sow indoors from February onwards. I did pick a lot of these because it says sow indoors or sow early. I mean, this is different though, chard is different. It does say sow from April onwards. Germination between the 15 to 25 days. I'm with March 11th now, so although there'll be the last frost. I might hold off on the chard for the moment. So chili peppers, because they're chili peppers. They're going to stay in the little greenhouse anyway. Courgettes, it might be early, but I just really want to sow some seeds, germinate some seeds. So, and in fact, it does say from, I don't know, you can see it, but March. So it's 3 to there. So March onwards. But you probably would have to keep these in until the last frost has passed, like with most of them. And also these, I've only got how many have I got? 5 seeds of a cucumber, which I got from Premier Seeds. So let's start with the cucumber. In fact, what do I do? I need a sellotape, because I might sellotape this to the tub lid. I'll be back. This is how I was doing it prior to getting the tubs, because after I'd read Catherine's comments, I was just so excited I had to have a go, and I have successfully sown sunflower seeds, which you saw in the earlier vlog. Oh, broad beans. I know I could have put them straight in the ground, but I was just really, yeah, I mean, that's one of those where you're right, I should have, but I did it, so what the hell. These are tomatoes. These are the last of the sort of foil tubs. Only one has germinated so far, so I'll just, yeah, I might transfer these to a tub. I'm not sure yet, because maybe with the lid on, heat stays in. So I do have a little spray, so I'm going to spray the kitchen towel. It's all right, I need a slurp. Cheers, everyone. Oh, so the cucumber, I don't know how you say that. I don't know how to say that. You fair. I don't know. Yeah, it's a bit of a miserable day today. I am going to the allotment later, but that'll be on another, that'll probably be the next vlog after this. Oh no, I can't even open this now. Yeah, it's actually lunchtime. Oh, what the heck? This is, I'll probably edit this out. Oh, I just cut it open. It just wasn't opening for me for some reason. When was this? Oh, so this was packed July last year, 2023. And so by 2025. But we know full well that I don't think you need to worry about seedling sell-by dates. Obviously, the manufacturers want you to worry about that so that you end up, you know, buying fresh seeds each year, even though you might have existing. Now, Catherine, I'm not sure if I should leave something on top, or, you know, like a layer, a kitchen towel layer on top. Maybe you do. How do you know if they've germinated? Do you know what I mean? Maybe we do. Maybe we do. So I'm just going to fold it in half like that. Then let me know, Catherine, if I do need to or don't need to, because I can't remember what you said on your comments. So I don't want this video to be too long, because I have to keep every video for under 20 minutes long. But with the lid, I'm going to sellotape that to that bottom bit. But I might use, because there's a space for another half, I might use that for, I don't know, the snapdragons perhaps. So I'll just let's just do some snapdragons. Get another kitchen towel. In fact, I could cut this in half, save the amount of kitchen towel needed. Just going to spray it. Oh, they look very fine. Ooh. Maybe not snapdragons then. Maybe I'll sow those in situ. They look too fine. I don't really want to. Beetroot. Let's get the beetroot because they're nice and big. And there's loads of them, so I'm not going to do masses. So I've got about, I don't know how many. Let's just space them out. So that's that one tub, which illustrates quite well really how hopefully this will work. So yeah, Catherine, if you don't mind letting me know, am I meant to be covering them with the kitchen towel? I can try and quickly check. Okay, I've just checked. Yes, you do put the cover it out. It's meant to be warm water, but from what I've just using the paper towel method, it says place aside a clear plastic bag, but the tubs seem to, well, but they work for you, don't they, Catherine? So yeah, you do cover them with the paper towel. So let's hope that that works. So let's try the sweet pea next. I'm just going to get another tub. I think I'll leave it there for the, I'll just try these two. Because it is early, I don't want to sort of end up making too much, you know, having too many seedlings and nowhere to put them. Just going to wet the tissue. I mean, it says it's meant to be warm, but it worked for when I did it with this method. I didn't warm the water. I mean, if you wanted to do that, then go for it, but it's room temperature. Sweet peas, I hope these work. I might do all of these, because I'll have some at home and some in the kitchen garden. In fact, because there's not masses actually, so yeah. Sweet peas I notoriously struggle with, to be fair, but let's hope this works. I'm just putting them in, spacing them out so they're not touching. Just wet it again. Sweet pea. Because I've used the whole packet, I think I'm going to sellotape just the word just to the lid. So where's the lid? That's the word I want. Oops. There. So with these two, let's get them the right way around. I'm going to put them on my windowsill, and we'll keep an eye, and I'll let you know if they germinate. So far with the foil, this bit, apart from the tomato seeds, which they're the last to sort of really germinate, and I did have them folded over the like that. So I don't know, one's germinated out of that so far, but we'll see. Hopefully this will be even better and slightly quicker, and yeah, I just hope this works. So presumably I can sort of open them up, carefully lift the paper towel and check. Yeah, I'll be doing this more, especially if these work. I've got, especially as we get closer to April, and we're in April, I've got the tubs for the job. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the plots in the next one. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Yeah, see you on the plots on the next vlog. Take care. Bye. Oh, cheers. I wanted to quickly interrupt, add at the end, because I'd already done the chitting stuff, which was, what's the date today? Hold on. So it's the 14th today. Obviously this isn't going to go out on the 14th, but it'll go out a few days later. I chitted these, which you've just watched, on the 11th, 3 days ago. Oh, my brain. And the cucumber ones have already successfully chitted. And what we really like about this, compared to my open foil method, which, I mean, it worked, even though it wasn't ideal. I had to kind of continually wet them. It stays wet for, well, 3 days so far. I mean, I haven't had to, you know, wet them. But look at this. Can you see? What's that? How many? 5. 5 have chitted. So I'm going to take these to the allotment today and put them in some little pots of soil. I also have beetroot in here. They haven't chitted, but I was really amazed that the cucumber ones had. So I'm really, really pleased about that. So what I'll do is I will take this to the allotment. I will bring it back because it's got the beetroot in it still, and maybe put something else in that half, because they're kind of sharing. Because you remember, I mean, I know it's literally a minute ago for you, but for me it's a few days. But I've got cucumber on that side and beetroot on there, just so I know what's what. I mean, it's fairly obvious with beetroot, you know what the seeds look like, but that's really great. I'm so happy about that. I will be growing quite a few different varieties of cucumber. So I might give some of these away, because I won't need 5 plants, but you know, I'm going to sow all 5 of them and see how we go, and maybe sow some more. I'm going to get more seeds and carry on chitting, because it's great. And I was really interested to see the RHS stance on slugs and snails. Many of you might have already sort of clocked that. But one of the things they did say was keep your seedlings for longer inside. And that's certainly what I was doing inadvertently with the seedlings, the spring cabbage and the what else was it? The Brussels sprouts. Spring cabbage is still in the shed, but I did plant out. What did I plant out? Oh my god! So it's purple sprouting broccoli, I haven't planted that out. It was just the Brussels sprouts, but I've kept them all over winter, which just shows you can keep your seedlings for ages. So even though it feels like I'm chitting early, because it's only mid-March now, I can keep these in the shed for as long as possible to toughen up the seedlings, and hopefully slugs won't chew them or snails chew them to bits. So yeah, it was quite interesting that. Anyway, I'm off now. I've already said goodbye, so I'll see you on the next one. Bye.